20 warning signs that you have vitamin D deficiency. 1. Fatigue. Tiredness can be caused by a variety of causes in your fast-paced, overscheduled life. While not all of them are easy to eliminate, we do have some control over some of them. Vitamin D could be causing your persistent tiredness. 2. Lower back pain. We all get painful muscles now and then. And waking up with an achy neck or back isn't uncommon when we don't get enough sleep the night before. However, if back pain, particularly lower back pain, is a regular occurrence in your life, it may be worthwhile to get your vitamin D levels checked by your doctor. 3. Muscle weakness. If you notice that your muscles are weaker or cramping more than usual on a frequent basis, it's likely that you're deficient in vitamin D. 4. Or aching muscles. Know of your age, a vitamin D deficiency could be the cause of continuous pain with no clear cause, especially throughout the winter as opposed to the summer. 5. Bone discomfort. A vitamin D deficiency could cause aches and unpleasant soreness in your bones, especially if you experience discomfort when applying pressure to your breastbone or shin bone. 6. Trouble sleeping. Low vitamin D levels can negatively affect the quality and amount of your sleep, making it harder to obtain the rest your body requires to stay healthy. 7. Hair loss. While it's usual for males to lose their hair naturally as they age, women may experience hair loss for a variety of reasons, one of which could be a vitamin D shortage. 8. Eczema. It's a good idea to have your doctor check for a vitamin D deficiency if you have atopic dermatitis, a common kind of eczema that causes red, itchy skin. 9. Slow healing wounds. Anyone who suffers wounds that seem to take an eternity to heal may need to increase their vitamin D intake. Low amounts of the crucial vitamin could be causing the snail-like speed, according to research. 10. Getting sick regularly. Do you have the feeling that you're always sick? It's possible that this is due to a vitamin D deficit. Vitamin D has been linked to how your immune system responds to numerous diseases and viruses, according to research. Endocrinologists discovered that low levels of vitamin D were linked to an increased risk of cancer, autoimmune illnesses, hypertension, and infectious diseases. 11. Dizziness. You may have spells of dizziness and feel as if you're spinning if you have benign paroxysmal positional vertigo, BPPV, and it could all be due to low vitamin D levels. 12. Erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is caused by a variety of circumstances, including alcohol, smoking, high blood pressure, and diabetes, to mention a few. However, vitamin D deficiency can be a direct cause. Men who were vitamin D deficient are 32% more likely to have ED than men who had normal levels of the sunshine vitamin. 13. Frequent urinary tract infections. A urinary tract infection is the last thing anyone wants to deal with, UTI. You're probably aware that germs entering the urinary tract and proliferating causes the problem. But did you know that a deficiency in vitamin D could also be the cause of the infection? 14. Severe PMS symptoms. Severe PMS symptoms, such as mood swings, food cravings, and sensitive breasts, could be caused by a deficiency in vitamin D. 15. Digestive problems. Vitamin D deficiency may not only raise your risk of having IBD, but it may also affect the severity of the disease. 16. Being overweight. You should have your vitamin D levels evaluated if you're overweight. Obese people are 35% more likely than non-obese people to be deficient in vitamin D. 17. Depression. Vitamin D levels are depleted throughout the cold, dreary winter months, which is poor news for your mood. Because vitamin D receptors assist regulate mood, an individual with a vitamin D deficit is more prone to develop depression. 18. Joint pain and inflammation. Low vitamin D levels in the blood create an inflammatory response in the joints, resulting in discomfort and inflammation. So, if you can't think of any other reason for your joint pain, it's possible that your vitamin D levels are to blame. 19. Pneumonia. Springer claims that there is a relationship between vitamin D and pneumonia. Due to a weaker immune system, deficient individuals are 2.5 times more prone to have pneumonia. 20. Excessive sweating. Excessive sweating could be a symptom of vitamin D inadequacy with normal or moderate exertion, a normal body temperature, and a mild temperature surroundings. Thank you for watching.